In this video, you will learn what is business line of credit, how it works, some examples, and practical use of business line of credit. So stick with this video and learn the basic guide of business line of credit. A business line of credit is like a financial safety net for businesses. It's a flexible type of loan that allows a company to borrow money up to a certain limit whenever they need it. A business line of credit is a pre-approved amount of money that a business can borrow from a bank or financial institution. Unlike a traditional loan, where you receive a lump sum of money up front, with a line of credit, you can access funds as needed, up to a predetermined limit. Now, let's move forward on how it works. The first stage is approval. First, a business applies for a line of credit. The lender assesses the business's credit worthiness, revenue, and other financial factors to determine the credit limit. Second stage is accessing funds. Once approved, the business can withdraw funds from the line of credit whenever necessary up to the maximum limit. And third stage is repayment. Businesses only pay interest on the amount they have borrowed. They can repay the borrowed amount and reuse the credit line, similar to a credit card. Now, let's take an example of bank line of credit. Many banks offer business lines of credit. Businesses can apply for a line of credit with their bank, which can be used for various purposes like covering short-term expenses, purchasing inventory, or managing cash flow. Another example is obtaining business line of credit from an online lender. Some online financial institutions and alternative lenders also provide lines of credit to businesses. These lenders may offer quicker approval processes and more flexible terms compared to traditional banks. Let's discuss the practical uses of business lines of credit. Number 1. Managing cash flow. Businesses often use a line of credit to cover cash flow gaps, especially during slow seasons or when awaiting payment from customers. Instead of waiting for invoices to be paid, they can access funds immediately to keep operations running smoothly. Number 2. Investing in opportunities. When a business comes across a growth opportunity or needs to make a time-sensitive investment, a line of credit can provide the necessary funds without tapping into the savings or disrupting cash flow. And number 3. Covering unexpected expenses. From equipment repairs to unexpected emergencies, having a line of credit ensures that businesses have quick access to funds to handle unforeseen expenses without disrupting operations. In essence, a business line of credit is a valuable financial tool that offers flexibility and peace of mind to businesses, allowing them to navigate financial challenges and seize opportunities as they arise. However, it's important for businesses to use it responsibly and manage repayments effectively to avoid accumulating debt.